Hello, I'm James Ingram. This video was digitized from a 1992 videotape series named V9202. The installation of this automatic switching block basically consists of the same 4 steps that we had earlier with the regular automatic block. This is the same sheet we were using earlier when we were talking about the Model 944 automatic block. Basically, our step 1 is to install the block in the track physically. Step 2 is to put the 1015U isolating section in that defines the beginning of the slowdown section. Step 3 is to locate the track contact T2 in the track. This is the remote track contact that will set the block to green. And step 4, finally, is to connect the AC power. At that point, the automatic switching block should be in the system and completely ready to go. Let's demonstrate those steps next. Here you see the track layout with an empty hole where the block is going to go. So let's do step 1, which is to physically install the automatic switching block in the track. That takes care of step 1, to physically install the block in the track. Step 2 is to install the 1015U slowdown section, which is laying behind me conveniently ready to go in the track. And again, we need to remember, since this block has the gaps in the right rail, we want to make sure we install the 1015U with the gap in the right rail. Let's get back and do that next. Now I've installed the 1015U isolating section back here, and this will define the beginning of the slowdown section, and the gap is in the right rail to match the gaps in the right rails of the 1015Us that are mounted on the block itself. Step 3 says install the track contact T2 in the track, so let's do that next. Here's track contact T2. I want to put it over there where that green sign says T2 on, so I'll do that. Finally, step 4 says to connect the AC power. So again, we've got these Radio Shack RCA phonotype plugs, and there's one conveniently laying here for AC power, so I'll connect that up. You can see I can now actuate this block from red to green and back again using the magnet. So this block is now, or should be, fully operational and ready to go. So you can see that the 4 installation steps with this block being already pre-wired as much as it is a fairly simple task, or let's say it's about as simple as you can make it for an object of this operating complexity.